Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode with this cool material right here, and basically what these are seat cushions that come with a lumbar support right here, and then from this brand right here. Let me actually open this up first to show you guys what the product looks like. So when you guys open the product, it's really nice how they actually have this seal tape right here. So that way you guys know whether or not the actual product has been tampered or not. But you can see it's completely sealed up, so you guys know it's brand new. But when you guys first open the product, you guys can see this is what it looks like inside. Let's take it out. So once you guys open the product, you guys can see this is basically what's included inside. So this basically is a seat cushion and also a lumbar support. And you see both of these products here is all nicely wrapped up and compressed as well. But I'm actually open this up first to show you guys what the product looks like. So we'll start with this one right here first. Alright, so when you guys open up this one right here, you guys can see how this is the lumbar support option. And right here, we do have the brand logo right here. And when you guys feel the material on here, you can definitely feel that mesh material on here. That feels really nice and actually feels really breathable as well. So if you guys sweat a lot, you don't have to worry about it. So this is what it looks like in the front. Here's what it looks like on the side. And here's what it looks like in the back. So in the back part right here, they do have the strap option right here in the top and also in the bottom as well. So you can definitely strap this onto your chair to give you guys a secure fit when you guys use it. And for both of these straps right here is adjustable to make it longer or shorter based on your own preference. And then for this part right here, they do have a zipper option right here. So if you guys want to open up, this is what it looks like inside right here. So supposedly for the material that they use inside right here is a memory foam material, but not like a regular memory foam material. The one that we got right here is a gel infused memory foam. So that way you guys get that like cooling effect when you guys use the part right here, which is pretty nice. And basically for this cover right here, if you guys want to wash it, you definitely can. I believe if you guys want to wash it, you probably need to put it into like a mesh laundry bag. But this is basically actually looks like for the seat cushion right here. Let me actually show you guys the other product first before I set it up to show you guys how to use it and what actually looks like first. Alright, so right here we have the next product. Let's open it up. Alright, so once you guys open up this one right here, you guys can see this is basically actually looks like for this one right here. So this part right here is basically the seat cushion. When you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels very breathable. So if you guys sweat a lot, you don't have to worry about it as well. Same thing at the lumbar support. And when you guys feel the memory foam material on here, it definitely feels pretty sturdy. And basically the memory foam that's in here is the same thing as the other one where it has gel infused memory foam inside to give you guys that cooling effect. So this is what it looks like in the top part right here. And here's what it looks like on the side, here's what it looks like on this side, and here's what it looks like on this side right here, and here's what it looks like on the bottom part right here. If you can see the material that they have on the bottom part right here, they definitely have like that non-slip material on the bottom. So when you guys set this up on your chair, you don't have to worry about it keep moving around, which is pretty nice. And for the seat cushion option right here, they do have the zipper option right here. So if you guys want to pull it open, this is basically actually looks like inside right here. And for this cover option right here, you can definitely throw in the machine to wash it if you guys need to. But you guys cannot wash the memory foam material inside right here, only the cover. If you look at the side right here, they do have a handle option as well. So that way actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to carry around. So let's say if you guys want to use it at home, and then you guys need to drive to work, you can definitely set up both this option right here for the seat cushion and also the lumbar support on your car seat if you guys need to drive to work or whatever, which is pretty convenient. But basically for both the seat cushion option right here and also for the lumbar support option, it's supposed to help you guys relieve any kind of pain in your back if you guys have any, and also help you guys with a better posture as well over time when you guys use it every single day. But that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Let me just put this down on a chair to show you guys what it actually looks like and how to use it first. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here I have my chair and right here is the product. Let me show you guys how to install it. So basically for the seat cushion, it's pretty easy. All you need to do is go like this. Once you guys put it there, you guys are all set to actually use it. And then for the lumbar support right here, you basically want to strap it in the back. So basically want to go like this. And just strap it in the back part right here. Same thing for the bottom part as well. Alright, so once you guys strap it in, this is basically actually looks right here. So all we need to do now is sit on it and test it out. Alright, so once I sit down, I can definitely feel that comfort of the memory foam material in the bottom part right here. And when I lean back, it kind of forced me to actually sit up. So that way I kind of lean all the way back, which is pretty cool. So not only do you guys get that support, but you also get that comfort as well because of that memory foam material on here. You can definitely feel that cooling gel that's inside the actual part as well. And like I mentioned, it is breathable because of the mesh material that's on here, which is pretty nice. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully assemble it. If you can see, it definitely looks pretty nice. Alright, welcome back guys. So now this is a quick test of the product and definitely see that actually does work. And it works quite well. Super easy to actually set up the product. If you can see, all you need to do is strap on the actual lumbar support, and then for the memory foam seat cushion, you can basically put it onto any chair and you can basically just sit on top to give you guys that comfort and support and also that posture corrector option as well to help you improve your posture over time. But definitely once you guys sit down and feel like the seat cushion and the lumbar support, it definitely feels really nice. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this set that we got right here, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially trying to look for a high quality seat cushion that give you guys that support, that comfort, and also help you guys improve your posture over time, using both the seat cushion and also the lumbar support option. And also if you guys want that like cooling or breathable option, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.